this is just a really quick video on how to install finished toe kick on an IKEA kitchen. Now, first off, this isn't a typical IKEA setup. If you watch or follow any of my videos, I have a full series on an IKEA kitchen install. And what I like to do is I like to modify the system where they have a wooden or a plywood base to it. It's just a lot easier to mount and level the cabinets and stuff like that. So this system that I'm going to show you is how to kind of convert it into what I like to do. Because the one thing I don't like is the little flimsy plastic finished toe kicks that they have that are supposed to clip onto a plastic leg. I don't like that. That's just a personal thing, whatever. The rest of the system is awesome. So what I like to do, I've just taken a 15 by 90 panel. So it's a shallow pantry panel. So, and then I just rip it down for my height. So this is 4 7/16. And then I like to just chase myself around. So in this scenario, it doesn't matter. I have 2 cut edges and I purposely left the factory front edge for an outside corner. And I'll show you how that works. So here, literally just slide that in. I'd like, if I can, I'll put the finished factory edge against the floor. That way if water or something comes in, it won't swell up my material. Then I'll just shove that all the way to the left, push down on it a little bit, and then I can just brad nail it into place. And I'll just keep my brad nails up high so no one sees them. Okay. Then the next thing I'm going to do, doesn't matter again, I can have 2 cut edges. I'll just put a cut edge there and a cut edge right here, flush with my base. Flush, or if I have to, I'll leave that protruding just a little tiny bit. So I've pre-planned this. I know I need at least a 36-inch piece with the finished edge. So I'll just go 36. Because my 40 1/16 doesn't matter if I have 2 cut edges. I could probably shave that a little bit. I'll shave that a little bit, but you get the point. Now, I'll measure this one so that it'll fit in under here. It can protrude just a hair past the front just because of the round over, and then I'll make it flush to the back over here. I'll cut this one so it's flush here. And then we're going to get into another scenario, a different video, where I talk about how to modify a peninsula like this, make it a little more custom. So we'll get into that. But I'm showing you just the toe kick and how it'll end here. But there's just a lot more to it, but I'm just trying to shoot just some really quick and helpful videos just to help you guys out. So thanks for tuning in.